Alright, let's try those marshmallows. I like ate
She was
one.
delivered so fast. She must have been a special
Let's do
delivery.
this orange one.
I wish it was 8 very long hours. Daddy told us that Evie was born, so we went to the hospital in Granny and Grandpa Pig's car. Did the car have rocket boosters? Yeah, they're really, really fast.
Really good.
And then, when we got to the hospital, something really cool happened. We ran to get to meet Evie as fast as we could, but we ran so fast we had to
Very
stop
good.
the juice. Wow! And then we got
I wanna
to
like
meet
remove the
her.
skin.
Help!
What do you mean help?
This is your little sister. Wow.
Let me like
And after all the
I
rockets
can't even get
and
the skin
super
off.
mummies
How do you guys
and
do
Yeah.
that?
the most amazing thing ever happened.
You wanna try it?
No.
Okay, that bit is true.
Best day ever. Today, Peppa and George are
Very
helping with
delicious.
Evie's bedtime.
Why are you wrapping Evie up like a mummy? It's called swaddling. It helps
Definitely
babies
better.
feel nice and safe when they go to sleep. Now, if we leave very quietly, Evie might just drift off. Evie doesn't seem very sleepy. No, she doesn't. Why don't we tell her a bedtime story? Good idea. Which one do you fancy? We've got Little Red Riding Hood, Sleeping Beauty, What to Expect When You're Expecting. Once upon a time, there was a baby who wouldn't go to
Pretty
sleep.
good.
Her name
I
was
gave it like
Princess Little
a
Snout.
8.5 out
People
of
from
10.
all
Because I
over the
mean,
land tried
I
to
prefer
help her.
like more
The snuggly
more
blankie, Your Highness. So
roasted,
one day,
like
a brave knight
it's like a
and
light
a
brown
magical
and
fairy
a light shade.
decided to find
So
Little
yeah,
Snout,
that's it.
the